Name is EZRA ONDARA, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. We do real estate content, house hunting, we do vlogs around Nakuru, and we promote business around Nakuru. Folks, today I am in Kiamunyi, and just look, you know, it is Tarmacked road right to the point where I am. And where I am here, we have two bungalows here, okay, hidden roof bungalows. This one is almost complete. The other one also work is ongoing, you know, they are doing plastering on the other end, but this one is almost complete, just some interior finishes here and there, and then it will be ready for you. So why can't we just go inside and have a look of what's going on in there? Sindio, so come in. Wow, okay, folks, what do you say about that face? Okay, what do you say about that face? Is it beautiful? What do you say about the face? You know, their color choice. Now, there are some t-shirts there. I think they belong to the Fundis. Don't mind them. Now, so already, you know, inside the front yard, they have this beautiful garden here, lovely garden. I can just tippy-toe so that I don't step on the growing grass, okay? Just tippy-toeing. Now, the beauty of this place is that I can see they have planted some trees here, and of course you have the grass, you know. So in a few months' time, this entire will be a nice green lawn for you to relax. In 2 years' time, this tree will be up there. You'd have a shade out here, nice place to relax. I see they have already done the, you know, the electric fence. Okay, it's up there, it's done. I'm telling you, just giving you updates about this development. Now, the entire home, this one sits on a 50 by 100 parcel, but it is huge. Freddie would stand there, just don't move, okay? It is so huge, okay? Like Freddie is not even at the gate, but just look at the front yard that you have here. In fact, this exact house, you can copy it right here and you still have some more room left toward that side, okay? So you have a lot of space, folks. This is a 3-bedroom hidden roof, okay? And I see many people have started, you know, to embrace this technology, you know, of the hidden roof, okay? This hidden roof structure. So many folks are loving this idea these days. Now, just look at those massive windows right there. Should I get those t-shirts? Zinachoma picha. Okay, so folks, massive windows right there, and this one is a lounge window. That's the main door, and that one is a bedroom window. So imagine there's a lot of light that comes into those rooms, okay? So just outside again, so the way it has been placed, maybe we can go to the backyard, or we'll go there later after I've just given you a gist of what we have inside, okay? Yeah. So now, folks, just look at this, you know, this step here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 steps here, just in front of the patio, looking awesome. So this is just a construction update. This place is not fully complete, and I like these, you know, features here. Okay, the way they have done it, this one looks awesome. Now, just a few things here and there za kumention tu. Sasa ndani ndo sasa there are materials all over etc, but yeah, just giving you a sneak peek. So this guy is working on the TV unit there. You can see he's working on the TV unit, and they did this thing here. My brother inaitwa nini?
Floated boards.
Floated boards. Okay, so he's doing a TV unit with some floated boards feature here, you know, just giving it a nice contrast, and also aesthetically, you know, it's appealing, you know. So this guy is working on the TV unit. That's what I've told you. Inside bado mambo namna gani jakuwa fiti. So 3-bedroom with a lounge, dedicated dining area, and of course the kitchen. It's an open kitchen, but from the lounge you can't see the kitchen, but from the dining area you can always see the kitchen. So that's the plan here. What can I show you? There's a lot of things on the ground, so that's why nimewambia hii tu ni construction, hii tu ni property update. Okay, real estate update, construction update, whichever you can call it. You know, that's more like it. So maybe I can just give you a sneak peek of the master bedroom. Folks, I'm inside the master bedroom, so those are the wardrobes. You can see the way they're doing them. So they have gone with a theme of black and white, you know, the universal colors. Even there's another wardrobe at that corner there. Folks, the window is so huge, so nice, futuristic. You know, these are the kind of windows that people are asking for these days, okay? And of course, it has the cloakroom, this side, spacious, huge, So cloakroom and of course the shower area there. So the guys are doing, you know, they're in the finishing stages of these 3-bedroom. Once they let me know the price, for now, okay, you can maybe call and yeah, for inquiry. But when I come to do the official video, when everything is tidy, I will tell you more. But of course, I see they have done, you know, the gypsum in the bedroom here with some recessed lighting hapo, you know, just some nice features hapa na pale. Naangalia sockets, top quality. Mambo iko shwari hapa. And we are in the lush green Kiamunyi in the city of Nakuru. Tarmacked road all through right to your doorstep. Can you imagine how wonderful this place is? Okay. Hebu tuangalie jikoni kama inaweza pigika hata kapicha. Jikoni tu. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. I thought lazima nikumbuke mama, okay? Najua mama ananiambianga jikoni. Usiponionyesha jikoni, sasa mimi sijui. So ladies, your kitchen namna hiyo, you can see you have a lot of, you know, worktop space here. That side, a lot of cabinetry kule. These guys, they went with a theme of black and white. You know, even the, you know, the marble top here, it has a touch of white and black. Can you imagine? I mean, look at this shelf, you know, white, but the handle black. I mean, light black, white black. Again, gypsum overhead, beautiful lighting. Another one there, bana, on the dining area. Oh, that one is beautiful. Freddy, make sure you show them that one. So, you know, like wanaendelea kumalizia ni dakika za mwisho kabisa. Ni extra time sasa, alafu in a few days time, the thing will be ready. Aya, sasa, wacha nionyeshe mahali mtaanika nguo hapa nje. Aya. Folks, nimesimama juu ya septic, okay? On the backyard, I'm on the septic, and then on the far end there, kuna, you know, underground storage ya maji iko kule on the far end. And of course behind here, these stands here is where you will do your hanging lines on the backyard again. And of course, I told you the electric fence has been done. So the tanki ya maji iko hapa. I don't know how many liters it is, but watatuambia tu. I think they will put the pump there, ndo maji inaenda juu, then inakuja ndani ya nyumba. See, you know, how is the plan? Sasa kitu nimependa, these rooms are going to have a lot, like there is no room here that is going to be dark. Because like on the backyard here, you have like, how many meters is this? 1, 2, you have like almost 4 meters. You know, the house is like 4 meters away from the perimeter wall, meaning light will be unobstructed. So kitchen inaingiza light, the dining area, kuna window pale, that ka bedroom, the other bedroom, you know, and of course the master bedroom, you saw the window kule vile ni kubwa. I mean, this guy has just done what people usually ask for when it comes to EZRA light. in the rooms. So this guy is doing the right thing, sindio? Aya folks, nini ingine mngependa kujua? Mnaweza ni message. Nyumba yote haiko fully done so that I can tour it proper. Kama zile bedrooms ziko na vitu za mafundi huko, sasa kwenda huko. But folks, you just ask me a question, alafu nita respond to, you know, if you want to know more about this development. Sawa sawa. Haya, hata mamilango mnaona aje jameni? Mnaona aje mamilango vile zimeundwa? You know, this is one way. Oh yeah, this is one way. Like siwezi ona kule ndani, but so nikiwa hapa I'm seeing myself. All right folks, sawa. Si ni hivyo jameni? Tuende tumalizie mbele sasa, tuende kabisa kabisa. Okay. Very well, so that's it from this 3-bedroom, okay, hidden roof bungalow in Kiamunyi in the city of Nakuru. Now, 2 bedrooms are ensuite. The 3rd bedroom shares the cloakroom, you know, with the guests. Sawa sawa. So any more questions, just drop them in the comments or reach to our office line 0791 055678 and we will respond. See you in the next one.